Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by assembling every income and identity document you need. W-2s from employers, Forms 1099 for 00 or more, 1099 INT bank statements, and receipts for deductible expenses. Make sure you have social security numbers for yourself, spouse, and any dependents, plus last year's return for carryovers. Tally freelance income, unemployment, and investment proceeds. Decide your filing status now because it changes standard deduction and tax brackets. Organize documents into income, deduction, and credit piles to streamline the preparation step. Use Form 1040 to report all taxable income, wages, freelance 1099 income, interest, and dividends. Enter adjustments like deductible retirement contributions or student loan interest so you calculate adjusted gross income. Choose either the standard deduction or itemize with receipts and totals. Apply eligible tax credits such as education or child tax credits to reduce tax liability directly. Consult IRS, tax tables, or trusted software to compute the tax amount. Then subtract federal withholding and prior estimated payments to determine whether you owe or will receive a refund. Submit your completed Form 1040 electronically through IRS e-file or approved software for the quickest processing and an instant confirmation number. If you owe, pay online via direct debit card, or the IRS payment portal by April 15 to avoid penalties. Set up a payment plan if you cannot pay in full. Print or save the signed return, bank payment records, and all supporting receipts and forms, and retain them for at least 3 years in case of audit or amendment. Respond promptly to any IRS notices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.